The CORSAIR Voyager gaming and streaming laptop allows you to take command of your stream with an intuitive 10-key macro bar that can be assigned powerful streaming controls when paired with the Elgato Stream Deck software. Before setting up the Elgato Stream Deck software, launch CORSAIR iQ. Go to iQ settings and select Software and Games. Now, make sure that software integrations are enabled. Check that StreamDeck.exe is listed under Active Clients. And before we close the iQ window, navigate to the S key bar's Key Assignments panel. Here you'll want to make sure that there aren't any active key assignments set up for the S keys that you wish to use in the Stream Deck software. If there are any pre-existing key assignments, delete or reassign them to another key as needed. You can now close the iQ window. Once you launch the Stream Deck software, you'll be greeted by a key layout for the Voyager S key bar. To add actions, simply drag and drop them from the right sidebar onto the desired S key and configure them. Plugins can be downloaded from the plugin store, which will enable actions that allow you to control devices like Elgato keylights or other third-party devices and software. Once you've finished adding actions to Voyager's S key bar, you can enable a visual action bar to serve as a quick on-screen reference to your Stream Deck key assignments. Simply right-click the Stream Deck icon in the Windows application tray and select Show Action Bar. And that's it! The CORSAIR Voyager gaming laptop's S key bar puts one-touch streaming controls powered by the Elgato Stream Deck software at your fingertips. Thanks for watching!